Good morning to all. This is Dr. Anantaya, working as Associate Professor in KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Humanities and Sciences. In Engineering Physics, today I am going to discuss equation of motion in Cartesian coordinates. What is our topic? Our topic is equation of motion in Cartesian equation of motion in Cartesian coordinate. What is the equation of motion? The Newton's second law is itself is equation of motion, that equal to F equal to ma. So here m is the mass of the particle or object, a is the acceleration. So equation of motion, we need to calculate acceleration. For that, we need to draw xy plane coordinates. Axes are this is x axis, y axis, origin. Particle placed at a distance small r, moving with velocity v and acceleration a. This, see, if you observe carefully this diagram, this figure, this is a particle having mass m, is moving in particular direction. Let us say x direction. So this is velocity, this is acceleration. If you observe carefully this diagram, both velocity and accelerations are perpendicular each other, and these velocities are parallel to the x axis. This is xy plane. In this diagram, x comma y are the coordinates. Corresponding velocities are vx comma vy, and corresponding accelerations ax comma ay. So we need to calculate acceleration along the x axis of this particle and acceleration along the y axis of this particle. So before going to calculate acceleration, I want to ask one question: how we can define acceleration? Okay. If you know distance x of the particle along the x axis, how we can define velocity? Velocity equal dx by dt, the time rate of change of position or distance or displacement, which is equal to velocity. So if you know the velocity, how we can calculate acceleration? The time rate of change of velocity, which is equal to the time rate of change of velocity, which is equal to acceleration, dv by dt. So equation of motion along the x axis, That meaning is Newton's second law, Fx equal to m into Ax. That is implies m into Ax means dv by dt. This is along the x axis, right? dvx by dt. Again m d by dt, v means the time rate of change of displacement. So, that v equal to dx by dt. Just substitute here dx by dt. Therefore, Fx equal to m into d square x by dt square. This is the equation of motion along the x axis. Similarly, equation of motion along the y axis, Fy equal to m into Ay, a suffix y. Here a is the acceleration of the particle along the y axis. So, we can say simply this is acceleration component along the y axis. Then we can write m into dv by dt, the time rate of change of velocity which is equal to acceleration. Now, m into d by dt, dy by dt, that implies m into d square y by dt square, which is equal to Fy. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Similarly, if you consider z axis, along the z axis, that is inside along the z axis, Fz equal to m into d square z by dt square. This is, let us say, equation number 3. Therefore, equation of motion in Cartesian coordinates, Fx equal to m into d square x by dt square and Fy equal to m into d square y by dt square and Fz equal to m into d square z by dt square. The three equations are called as equations of motions in Cartesian coordinates.